So just another quick test. Will the Jackery charge my leisure batteries while still connected to the solar panel and the diesel heater's running? Well, you can see the diesel heater was beautiful and warm. You can hear that. The diesel heater is chucking it out. It's on number 6, and I have now got a transformer, or a battery charger should I say, connected to the leisure batteries, and I've plugged it in and it's on, and let's have a look. So there we go. It's pulling 77 watts and it's got a run time of 22 hours, 0.3. So yeah, there you go. 22 hours running this charger, and my batteries are now gone up to nearly, what are we now? We were down to 12.6, 12.5, and we're now up to, oh, that was weird, there we go, 12.9. So I reckon it'll chuck it up to 13. Oh yeah, we're close on 13 on the other one, look. On that one it's saying. So we've got the solar on and we've got the sun, and I've got my LEDs on as well. Hold on. Let's just pull that off. There we go. So she's chucking in, so it does help. That's great. So I'm charging my batteries from the Jackery and sending a charge. Yeah, that's great. Chuffed with that. There we go. Just a quick one to finish off.